think about the new wheels, boss?
Oh man, it's great, man. I couldn't ask nobody to do it better, man. Y'all put it on there, man. I couldn't believe y'all got it. They're perfect.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to 23rd Garage. So today we have an interesting little video for you guys. We're going to show you how to restore some very badly damaged curb rash on a pair of, well, I say a pair, but it's actually a set. I think they're all a little bit curb rash. This is just the worst one. So as you guys can see, it touched the curb a bit here, here, and here. And we will have to probably debead one side of this tire. So we are going to run down to the tire shop and get this side of the front side of the tire popped off the bead. That way we can actually work on this edge, and then when we go to paint it, we can roll our paint over the edge and it'll seal up real nicely on that bead. So we're gonna run down to Good to Go real quick. We'll pop these beads off and then get back and show you guys how to start working this damage here. Best tire guy in the world right here.
Who?
You!
Why you recording all the time, man? You gotta give me some money, man?
Yeah, we're gonna send you a check.
Alright, that's nice.
Hey, I have 4 wheels. I wanna paint. I think it just popped the front bead. Is it cool?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you, sir.
So we just got back to the shop and the tires are ready to be sanded down. So the first thing I'm gonna do is hit it with a flap disc and knock all this material smooth. That way we could just put some primer on it. Everything looks like it should just smooth out. So we got the wheels inside the booth. We got them set up on this pretty long piece of wood right here. The next step is gonna be to mask them off and get them degreased, and they'll be ready for paint.
All right, so it is the next day here, and the wheels are nice and dry. We are going to go ahead and unwrap them. What you think about them, Ben?
Look pretty good.
All right, you gotta go in a crisscross pattern. All right, guys, we got the wheels on the car. They look absolutely amazing. Look at that. Might need to wipe them down a bit, Nate.
Yeah, that test drive kind of put all that rust all over him, but
Yeah. But yeah, the owner's here to pick it up, and he seems very happy with it. So I'm happy.
let's see what he has to say about
Let's see it. What's up? What do you think about the new wheels, boss?
Oh man, it's great, man. I couldn't ask nobody to do it better, man. Y'all put it on there, man. I couldn't believe y'all got it. They perfect.
Yes, sir. That's what we do.
Okay, man, it's best in the world.
That's right.
Yeah, not just around here, best in the world.
That's going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, hit that like button. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. It really keeps us motivated, gets us putting out more stuff for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.